So, I just want to give you guys another tip. That the way you herp depends on the time of day. Like if you go out and throughout the whole entire day, every single day, all you do is flip, you're going to find some stuff, and the majority of the time you're going to be bummed out because there's nothing going to be under the rocks. But, like me right now, where I came out here early, I'm looking up in these trees for black rats and racers. I'm looking at these bushes where the sun is hit first, because this is why, like black rat snakes, racers, arboreal snakes, or just snakes that can climb in general, don't necessarily have to live their lives in trees, are so smart because they know that early in the morning, what's the sun going to hit first? Tops of those trees. So they'll work their way up there, and then they'll start sunning, and then by the time the sun hits the forest floor, they'll work their way down, and guess what's out basking for them to feed on? All these fence lizards. So it's really the perfect setup and technique to ambush lizards that are out basking after you've already warmed up for the day. So until it gets to be about, which I'm only going to be out here for a couple more hours, so I'll probably just stick to looking at these trees and stuff and see if I can spot anything. But yeah, that's just, a little herping tip for you guys. And then later on in the day, like later on in the afternoon, around dusk and stuff, road cruising is really good because they're soaking up what's left of the sun. Or then if you want to flip too, a lot of those rocks, they will be up under there soaking up what's left of that sun before they go, or wherever they go, since they're not hibernating. So. Alright, so I came back here to the wall because I didn't find anything on the tracks, but I did find this little, oh, where'd he go? There we go. Let's see how close we can get. He's a pretty cool looking dude. How close I can get on his face. Wow. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? That is too freaking cool. Alright, so I'm over here at getting ready to head down to the water snake pond. And I don't have my backpack or snake hook or anything with me, because I'm just going to go down there real quick, just see how many we can spot. And yeah, sun should be hitting down there, so I'm thinking there should be quite a few out sunning themselves. So, I don't know if you guys can see that tail. There's this water snake. That's not a water snake. That is not a water snake, that's a different kind of snake. That looks like a racer crab. I have fun trying to catch him. Alright, I'm going to try to set you guys up so I can try to catch this snake. Oh, yep, see him? At least I'll get him on film. Look at that. That is a beautiful black racer over here at this little pond, and he's already spotted me, so chances of me getting him, I want to see how close I can get on the zoom on him. Oh yeah, he's already spotted me. That's huge. That is a huge black racer. Alright, I'm going to try to go get him. Alright, well he went under here, and this is something that I can't really lift up, and I'm guessing there's a hole under there because I didn't see him come out on any other side, and I looked under there and I couldn't see him, so dang it. But at least got him on film, so that counts for something. Alright, well this spot is looking prime. Let's see if anybody is out. Be on either side, it's really hard to say. Oh, I see a big turtle. Oh wow, that is a huge turtle. I don't know what kind that is. Looks like a snapper. Maybe your common snapping turtle. I don't know how close if I can get in on the eyes, because their eyes are just amazing. Yeah, it's a snapper. See if I can get any closer. Wow. Yep, that is a snapper. Sorry for the shakiness, it zoomed in all the way. Oh, it's looking like they got this whole thing fixed finally, so that's good. Yeah, a little mini little stepping thing over here too. That's kind of nifty. I didn't see any snakes over there, so that just kind of lets me know that it's a little too early. So next time I come down here, I know to hit it up a little bit later and just keep trying it out until I find that sweet spot when they're going to be out basking. That is one fat squirrel. What you doing, buddy? Huh? What are you doing? Too cute. Fat, but cute. So just kidding, I'm over here at the secret pond. And there is 1, 2, where's he at? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that it? 9, 10. 10 freaking frogs around this thing. Now watch. We're all gonna jump in. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's this dude. Hey buddy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. That's crazy. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Aren't you adorable? Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow.